Backtesting every day on some profile, day 284. Continuing with 2020 again. Yesterday was a really short stream, like 30 minutes or something, but my internet died for like the rest of the entire night, and I had to go to bed as early as possible because of work. And yeah, wasn't fixed anyway, so couldn't have stayed longer, unfortunately. Yeah, really short session yesterday, only like half an hour. But that's why I'm gonna do a full hour today, even though it's late already. Yeah. Yo, Kai, Fed, what's up, guys? How are you guys doing? Only AM session trading. Bro, I think this is longs. Yeah, I don't know. It is. Let's see, what time is this? Yeah, it is 9:30. Okay. Are you gonna get longs? I don't know. Yeah, I just came to say hi, but I gotta go at my girlfriend's house. Alright, man. Thank you for coming by. It's nice. Hope you have a great day. Thank you so much, man. You have a good night or a good day, man. Nothing here. This can be very, very bearish. But I am looking for higher though. Nothing here. No. Okay, could be no. Also no. Only AM session trading because of the medium impact news. Yeah, it's gonna be nothing. Nice push. Yeah, nothing for me this session. Price action was alright. Price action, alright. Thank you, man. Talk to you soon again, Vet. No trades. Am I missing something? Oh yeah. Whoa. Like 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes into streaming, I think. Yeah, 4 minutes streaming now. I think an entire minute of that is me yawning. Gonna go to the next day. Fed announcement, okay. When was this? Coronavirus. Someone added to the calendar after its release time. Okay, so after release. So normally this is just a day with medium impact, which I'm not trading. So let's see what price action did there. Wouldn't have traded this day. And I really don't mind not trading this day. Very nice. No trades. Okay, oh, that's the entire month of February. Let's see where it ended. I think like 8%, something crazy. Yeah, insane. Very nice month. Very nice. Another one. Alright, gonna go to Monday, 1st of May, or no, 2nd of May. Looks like a nice trading week, also NFP. %100% bearish now, yes. Changing the safe delivery lower. I do think higher time frame could be just like a retracement or something. But that doesn't matter for what I'm trading on like minute charts. See if this is still bearish though. They close above this. See what ES did. Okay, yeah, ES is still holding it as bearish. So, all good. Marking out that range. Where it doesn't really matter. What is this looking like? Maybe a 2 hour. With multiple gaps here. Okay, so we have a 1 hour CIBI here. NQ looks a bit more bullish than ES. So maybe NQ wants to take out the high and then create an SMT there with ES. We'll see what actually happens. Oh. Does look bearish if we go, or it is bullish if we close above. But then short term until here on ES or on NQ, pretty high actually. Let's see what we do. Do have news. 10 a.m. so I'm just waiting after 10. Alright, 10 a.m. news. So far just a very nice reaction off of this. Yes, closing above this, but I would like to see this be a CIBI because higher time frame is bearish and Q is still respecting the gap. There. Yo, GM. What's up, man? How are you? Okay, we have already taken low on ES, but I still would like to see us go lower. Alright, this is a short, yes. Equalize. IFG. Stage accumulation. Yeah, wait. Yeah, here. Yeah, that's first and final TP then as well. That'll be full TP. Or full TP. This is full TP. And this will be break even. Right? Oh no, here's break even already. Alright, let's see. See if this wants to go. Oh, nope. Re-entry? No. Okay. Just a loss. Alright. Okay, I was not expecting this at all. Just to me, it looked very bullish still. Or very bearish still. Just disrespecting all of these gaps here as well. Yeah. We were respecting this. But yeah, like I do think higher time frame is more bearish, but like even higher time frame is bullish maybe. So maybe this is the low and then we want to push higher there. But yeah, of course this looks like a bullish push. Gonna paste this in here. So for now. PMI at 10. Okay, let's see if there's anything else. Could have been bullish here, but there's nothing there anyway. Maybe here. I think the range high is already taken there. Is it? Do we inverse? Range high would be here. Yeah, that was already taken there. So that doesn't matter. Go to the PM. Still respecting this. Ballin or what? You ever trade A's a session? If you're about to dump again, hopefully. I think I am still bearish. So. But no, I don't. I don't ever trade Asia. Do you? Alright, I think this does look like a good draw though. And yes, I am still bearish because ES is respecting it. Then higher time for me still bearish. Hopefully we don't instantly push lower into the low. Hopefully we create some structure to the upside, but we'll see. Alright, unfortunate. Let's see if we even want to drop lower. I don't really think so, but yeah, first next draw would be here then. Maybe gonna try and take a small break this this stream at like a half hour to get just to get a drink. My throat is like a Sahara. 15 minutes. Alright, so you have a Sibi here. Very, very small one. Almost can't even mark it out. Okay. Okay. Yeah, still looking for lower. Don't know if we'll get it, but that is the idea. 3 minutes. Nope. Oh, this could be nice. 3 minute again. Could be if we inverse. Nope. 15-minute gap. Range low taken. 4 minutes, then short-term bullish until the highs. Yeah, I am. Bet. Times is 14.14. Maybe we'll get a small push into the buy side, but that'll be it, I think. Oh. Oh. Inverse it here. Didn't take equal lows, only took out this low. So waiting. About to close back below, 4 minutes. Reclaimed Sibi. Draw is now bearish again. Oh, it was bearish the entire time. Yes, was still respecting the 4 minute. Yeah, gap here, 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 4 minute, here and here. Didn't miss a short then, right? 2 minute. Otherwise, I'm definitely going back for that. One high here. Alright, bro, it's literally an entry. Equalize taken here. What time is this? 14:16. Closure below. Still didn't go to TP, but yeah, it does look like it's gonna go. Luckily, you know what model I'm trading, so it's not hindsight. I have before, but it doesn't move as much. Yeah, yeah. I haven't really, honestly, even tried it, but just from like looking back at it, the volume is just not great. This is first and full TP. Sometimes there can be nice runs, so but like for the highest probability, which you actually always want to look for, just isn't it in London. Break even on ES will be here. All right. I think this did go break even. No, yeah, okay, now it is. Wow, insane then. Very nice trade then. Oh wow, what? Whoa, was not expecting that. Aftermarket, what is it, macro? That's crazy. 14.16. Just still this day? Wait. Yeah, Monday. Price action was alright. Okay, very nice. Almost like a 2R as well. G7 meetings, FOMC statement, crazy day. Trading after FOMC, so I'm gonna skip all that price action. Gonna go all the way to PM. Let's see if we, yeah. It's probably that monthly retracement, yeah. Looks like it. Oh yeah, I also have my SMT with this monthly low. Crazy bullish up, baby. Yeah, so go to, oh wait, what, Tuesday? Oh, it is Tuesday. Wait, what? Wow, that's weird. You have FOMC statement on a Tuesday. You barely ever see that. Oh shit, I played too quick again. Yeah. I don't even know what I'm looking for. Him first here. Okay, I think it's bullish. What do we have here though? 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. Okay, they close below here. Here as well. So a singular gap. Okay, so bearish then. Not bullish. After this candle close, so not like, oh yeah, I'm bearish from here. No, I'm bearish until this candle close. I'm bearish actually here. Okay, this will be a draw. See, did I miss anything? 14. That's when the news released, so waiting for my setup. Now waiting until news again. 14:30 here. Oh, this could be an entry issue right now. 2 minutes. 1 high, 2 highs. If we close this candle, which we do, yeah, this is short. Just insanely bearish. We're also tapping a gap. Sell side, very clean lows. News just got released. Closure below. Stop at the high. Equal highs taken. Even this high. No, never mind. Equal highs. Break even. Entries at 1440, so I can hold until 1530. TP is at a fixed 1-to-1. Okay. Let's see. Oh, not good. Now, unfortunately. Very clean lows, though. Very unfortunate. But that happens. There's an L that day. All day news. Okay. Let's see what price it after. Maybe an entry? No, not anymore. Wow, what a push. Okay. Hope we don't get a crazy drop here. Okay, no, that's good. Wednesday, ADP, NFP, OPEC meetings. Literally the bottom, wow. Alright, did it inverse this 1 hour? Here, same thing, so I am bullish. Low hanging fruits. Very clean lows, but I am bullish. 10 a.m. news, so waiting. That's news. See what the draw is now. I think this is just a retracement. Very nice reaction. What do we have here? Nothing really. Just that IFEG. Also not even equilibrium there, yeah. Let's just see here. Looking at this structure, is this an entry? No, it's not. Very nice push. Oh, this can be a very nice entry if we inverse this. Actually don't do and see where we're trading into. About to create two busies here in the 15 minutes. I think we have, yeah. Got a nice reaction from it so far. Do we hold it? I don't know, we'll see. If we inverse this, then that's also an entry. which we don't do. We do inverse this, didn't take any liquidity, so waiting. This can be very nice if it wants to go. Still holding. We did close below now. And yes, also did. We didn't take it a range high, that would be here. Same thing on yes, I am still bullish. Even though we inversed the BISI, it's not an inversion yet to me. I think this is just a bigger, deeper retracement. Because the higher time frame is still bullish for me. And then same idea on yes. See what happens here. If you just want to instantly push higher, or I don't know, if we inverse 2 minutes, also an entry. If we don't do, nothing here. This 1 minute inversion could be an entry, which it is. 11:11. There's a kill zone still. Deeper retracement in optimal trade entry. So far a nice reaction. Inverse this, taking out liquidity. See if this wants to go. IFVG. Building up a lot of clean liquidity. I think at least we'll go here. So all this low resistance trendline liquidity. Let's see, break even at a at this high. So pretty tight. Let's see what TP would be. That would be here. That would be here. Break even, that would be here. I think we'll be at least a break even. Let's see. Break even trade. Re-entry? No, it's not. Let's play this out. I still think it's will go. Oh. Alright. Let's see, did it hit stop? Crazy price action. Alright, very not clean, I would say, but it did its job. Idea was correct, but crazy price action. What the hell? Yeah, just a good break-even trade, I would say. Let's see, yeah, PM session now. And yes, still bullish because we inverse this huge gap. Look at that reaction. Tron liquidity would be the high up there. Oof. Half hour into the stream, I'm gonna go downstairs. Gonna get a drink. Gonna get some mango juice. Craving mango juice. I always see the title backtesting you trade funded, right? I do, yeah, I do. What's up, man? You don't trade time or macros? Not specifically macros or time. It can be like, oh, this is in a macro, this is in, yeah, but it isn't like necessary. I trade in kill zones in macros, but it's not like I have to take an entry in macros. These are my entry times. All the blue ones are macros, and then in between are just New York kill zones or London kill zones. Very, very bullish. I don't really see any reason for us to go lower. Inverse this in here. Get this market make a buy model. It's also already taken on ES. So yeah, the first next draw is up there. Just zooming in structure. Maybe want to retrace lower a bit, take some liquidity, then head higher. But if we just push higher as well, that could be totally alright. Okay, this could be nice. Okay, so I think this is a long, yeah it is. So we're trade into, even taps a 50-minute here. It's not a singular one, but it doesn't have to be per se. We do have a 15-minute singular one here though. So I'll just mark out, or 30 minute. And then nothing really on the S, but here take out these equal lows. That one swing low. Inverse this SIBI, which should have sent price lower, now an inversion. Stop's gonna be huge. Let's see if it's even an entry. It is. Break even. Oh, which is then here. I would have to check though. Oh, just barely not a break, or barely not an entry. Oh shit. Okay, that's good. I would have been break even otherwise anyway. Let's see what we want to do. We did tap the cap now. See if we want to create something more. Oh, or we inverse. Did I miss something here? We took out one low here. Here we did take equal lows, 1402. So this is an entry. I skipped one candle too fast. Gonna go one candle back. Why do you don't focus on time? Because I've seen that it's not like, it doesn't increase my win rate per se or something. Like it's not like if I trade macros that my win rate will increase with like 10% or something now. Because yeah, of course, if it was, then I would have traded it only macros, but yeah, no. Do you only trade macros? Oh shit, where's my break even now gonna be? That'll be here. All right, so that's an entry. Yes, this is the low, the sweep. Oh, it's actually a bit, doesn't really matter here. Maybe like a tick or so. So this is the candle that swept the liquidity, the equal lows, even though this candle swept here again. Yes, didn't take out the low here. So this candle still swept all these equal lows, or all this liquidity. It's not like actual, like really clean, but still some form of equal lows. Break even there. And I think I'm only targeting 1-1 here, yeah. Let's see if this wants to go. I have no idea what this actually wouldn't say. Do you have any news? No. Let's see. All right, nice. Okay, so that's CP. Let's see if you want to head higher. Oh. Okay. Oh yeah, eventually we do. Do we? Yeah, kind of we do. Okay, nice. Just that 1-1, like here, I just love these, like these 1-1 trades. Like my draw liquidity would have been like there. It's not like first TP or something, but what else am I targeting here? Normally I was targeting a 1 and 2, but yeah, I just love to see where like my old model just gets like the TP, not teased really in this situation, but like it gets close, and then yeah, would have been break even there, but now it's just TP, which is nice. Copy this. Entry was at 1417, just outside of macro. 1 minute. W day, New York price action was all right. News, we had ADP NFP. And PMI at 10. All right, very nice, very nice. When you have two value gaps stacked on each other, your entry should be the first value gap. First value gap. With an IVG, you mean? No, Klonic, how do you identify a singular IVG? Is it to internal swing highs? To internal swing low? It's just a swing high to swing low. So I just look at, where did I look? For here example, I was looking at this, oh look at that 30 minute actually, very nice. I was not looking at this 50 minute, for example. Like on a 50-minute chart, we had still it gets the reaction, but 50 minute here, 50 minute here, from, where is it, swing low to swing high. That's like the range. Then 30 minutes, swing low to swing high. Oh, not even a 30 minute anymore. Oh, 1 hour then still. So I thought it was 30 minute, but here from swing low to swing high, a busy, 1 hour, swing low to swing high. At the moment, like we're still creating it, but then this is the singular busy. And for me, that's like the true inefficiency where I should look at. Doesn't mean that price should definitely go there if it wants to go higher. Like it still can leave it sometimes, but just like the narrative around it, just very nice. Also that it doesn't have to tap it, because let's say we're above second stage distribution, then I'm already expecting for the market to be pretty bullish or pretty bearish. That's like the quickest run in the market, ICT says, which I think is true. Yeah, I just like the idea. Go to Thursday, and it's trading the entire day. Yeah, day before NFP as well, can be crazy. Move strongs. Yes, that's a good example on a 50 minutes. Oh, there, yeah, okay. We're still using higher time frame for a gap if it's closed below. When it's closed above 50% range. We're still using higher time frame for a gap if it's closed below above 50% range. I don't know what you mean. Yeah, Jafar, I'm trading on what is it? On lower time frame. So like with these, for example, let's say I was trading this, then I'm always zooming in. So let's say it was here, then I'm always zooming in. And it didn't have to tap it for me there. But either way, I was just looking at that 1 hour then, even though I wasn't. But that's the idea then. What's ICT? Wait, you joking or? Yeah, so trading this entire day. Let's see what the draw is. This is still very bearish. What are we here? Uh, 6 hour, yeah. So I like these gaps as well. Like this also, looking for a singular one. So you have a busy here, from swing low to swing high. Also a small one here, which still has an imbalance in there. That 4 hour, we don't have anything in this entire leg from swing low to swing high. And then on the 6 hour, you have a forced gap. So a forced, like on the 4 hour, we don't have anything. And on the 6 hour, we suddenly have one, which I really like as well. I think these are, yeah, how do I look at these? Like, I think these are really strong. These also, for me, tell the true price action. I don't know how I want to call it. Yeah, we inverse this. We didn't take out the highs here though. So like this sudden drop lower, inversing this, it does make kind of sense to me because we are higher time frame bearish, but also it kind of doesn't because we didn't really take any liquidity. But yeah, I am still bearish higher time frame, so I think this is just a higher retracement, even though this is a very, very high retracement. But yeah, still the idea is there as bearish. 2 hour, then we gap here, and then we don't have a single one now, or we're about to create one on the 4 hour. Just looking at the structure then, we have very clean lows here, at least there. Looking at this market sell model, it's also a draw. It's also a draw. Okay, let's see if you wanna drop lower here. Would be best if you just create a bit of price action, take maybe some liquidity here, create that 4 hour gap, great structure in there, and then drop lower. Hopefully you don't instantly drop lower to the sell side. Okay, so I like this. You have news at 10? No, okay. So yeah, I can take an entry already if it forms. Nothing here. Okay, so the 4 hour about to create it. Yeah, still like we are trading lower. Oh, I still hope we don't take the sell side there. That we just trade higher a bit. Yeah, exactly like this. This can be nice because then it could still form an entry for me. This is good. Look at that. So now we didn't take out the sell side. We have created that singular 4 hour SIBI. We did tap it now as well. If he now can create split of structure, take out liquidity inside of this gap, I think that could be very good. Hopefully not too high. This is short already. It's a bold short, but it is a short for me, which I have to take. 1025, I didn't take a 4 hour high. No. All right. Yeah, this is crazy. Oh, never mind. Break even would have been here, which yes already took, so it's nothing. Reaction of the IVG as well, the forced one. Let's see if this is gonna give the reaction. It's a very nice example. Okay, this can also be very nice. Didn't take any liquidity though. This gap again, taking out all these highs now. 1055. If we reverse this, that's an entry, which we do. Yeah, this is an entry. Not entirely sure about this, but yeah, honestly, it looks really, really good. Like, even though this is insanely bullish, like we have such clean liquidity here. We're holding this SIBI as an inefficiency. We're all holding the inversion. Same thing on ES. Yeah, this can be a very nice drop or just not bearish at all. This would be the IVG. Break even already here though. TP, that would be at a 1-to-1. Only targeting this. Oh, clean. All right, 2 minutes. 2 minutes CP, and I'm not even right with the bias. Beautiful. Oh, am I? Oh, look at that. Damn. And we're still respecting these gaps. Look at that. The wick doing the damage. Yeah, that's very nice. Very high push though. Yes, respecting it, very nice. The gap there, look at that. What what a crazy price action actually. But very clean. Just all I needed. Small scalp. Don't have to be right with the buys, even though yeah, I wouldn't say I was right with or maybe I was, I don't know. But it doesn't matter anyway. This is just all I wanted to see. Entry was at 1056. Very, very nice. 1 minute. New York price action was good, or no, it was kind of weird actually. It was alright and also a bit weird, or weird, just yeah, crazy is also weird. News, we had all day high impact news, and medium as well. Very nice, very nice. Friday. It's a joke. I mean, there's bullish for a gap, and you're still using that for a gap. If it's close below the 50% of range, that bullish for a gap. No, it's like it has to be inside of ranges. So an hourly gap and above, if we inverse that both on NQ and ES, that just changes my bias short term. But if we can also have that on the lower time frames, but then we have to have some sort of range low or high taken. So I am then bearish if you have, let's say this, just to push higher. Let's see. And yeah, I am bearish. So we are somewhere in here. And then I'm expecting like a reaction from here because we're like, I don't know, holding a gap in here. But if you have like a range in here, where we took out the range low, and then we infer something in here, both on NQ and ES, below a 1 hour, so a 30 minute, 50 minute, 5 minute, both on NQ and ES. And if you inverse this, then I'm short-term bearish or bullish as well until here. So yeah, it depends. What does it stand for? Inner circle trader. How's the funnit going? Yeah, I didn't take any trades. I took one trade this week, this entire week. I took one trade. Crazy, right? But yeah, I'm trading with like news, and there wasn't any news this entire week. If there isn't any news, then I'm trading the London session, which I kind of did, but there just weren't any setups. So and then Thursday was the only trading day with high impact news, so I was trading the New York session, and I got a nice W there. I got a $400 something W, which I still need to make a true trade recap on. I think it will be after this session. I'll make it. But yeah, it's still in drawdown. It's now $200 in drawdown, but still it's nice. Did miss 2 W trades as well in the early week on Monday, but I don't even want to talk about it. But yeah, I'm down $200. Took a nice W on Thursday, which is good. Like, at least that wasn't a loss, because I always think with like losing trades, oh shit, I took a losing trade now. That means it's higher probability that the next trade is going to be a loser, which is just a bad thing to do. But yeah, I do think about that. But yeah, at least it was a W trade, which is good. How do I have the app for Forex Factory? It's not really like an app. It's just the browser. Like you can see, it's just on my extensions and stuff. But how you can do it is just go, I'll show an example for chess. Either you have Brave or Google Chrome, and you need to go here, and it says install app. Oh, and I accidentally did. Oops. I don't want to do that. But yeah, you see I accidentally installed it. But yeah, it should be in the top right corner. I don't know where. How I can uninstall it now. It's not really an app, it's just literally the browser, but yeah, so here, top right corner, there. Or top right of the browser link, I don't know, link address. Friday was crazy. I didn't trade Friday because we had, I'm not trading Fridays with medium impact news. Yeah, I saw it was crazy as well. But yeah, I saw some people took some losses as well on YouTube, which I don't know, not that I like to see it for them, but I like to see it for myself. Like, oh, people took some loss today. It was probably a weird price action, and I'm glad I didn't trade today. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I only traded Thursday this entire week, which, yeah, crazy. Power hour sell 3 days in a row. Shit, thinking that next week. Yeah, where do we? Wait, where was? Oh, that Thursday. Oh yeah, that was there. Oh yeah, insane actually. Yeah. Yeah, where do we want to go? I don't even know. I do think all-time highs are draw a higher time frame. This is just insanely bullish where we're coming from. Honestly, I don't think we're gonna go too much lower, further lower. Maybe next week's just gonna be insanely bullish. I have no idea. But higher time frame it is really bullish though. But yeah, I don't know. Something for later. I was on a crazy win streak on my 4th day of $200. Then got too greedy and blew the whole account. It was about 2 weeks ago. A lesson to learn, not gonna lie. It's good that you got the lesson then, man. Was it your first, or I use Brave and I don't have it. It isn't on every website. Like for Notion, for example, you don't have it here. But for Forex Factory, you should be there. Maybe you need to update your browser or something. What day is this now? Friday. NFP, unemployment claims, all crazy news. See what the draw on liquidity is. Let's see. So still insanely bearish on the higher time frame. Friday's not at the low of the week, is it? No. But we are just insanely bearish, and I think we are still bearish, yeah. Yeah, still from the 6 hour delivering from there. Looking at this market maker sell model. I think there's something here. Yeah, there. It's already taken. Yeah, we have some clean lows here. It's like a stage accumulation as well. And then there. Basically these are equal. This is a long way to go. I don't know if we'll get that today, but I'm going to be trading towards there. I just bearish. Then we have civvies here. Marking out that singular one on the 2 hour. And yeah, same thing I think, yeah. A lot of news. 8:30 only. So let's see what we have here, internal. So we do have this 50 minutes, which we are at the range low. We did inverse here, but ES is still, yeah, not like holding it, like it isn't in it, but it didn't close above it. So it's still holding this technically bearish, even though NQ closed above this. Not gonna look for longs, but like the idea of like, okay, NQ looks more bullish. Maybe NQ wants to go towards the buy side here, tap into the gap, create an SMT here, and then drop lower. Like that could be possible. That's just an idea, but I am still bearish. Okay, so ES or NQ now taking out those highs, having an SMT there. ES now in that gap. Doesn't mean it's gonna go lower now, but I still think it's gonna go higher actually. But still, anyway, it's just gonna be looking for shorts. Oh wow, look at that. Let's see something here. Nope. 2 minute maybe. Could be something here. Nope. Waiting. Taking out that high again. Nothing here. Okay, now ES and NQ both taking those highs. Still holding this gap. Still want to see somewhat lower. Very clean lows here as well on ES, but even though this looks insanely bullish, if there isn't a short, if it isn't bearish at all, then that's totally fine as well. I don't have to take anything. Just gonna play this out. Okay, just as I say that, I think there's a short setup. Yeah, it's gonna be bold one again. Like this candle is already going against my direction, but it is an entry. IVG at the top of the SIBI for right gap, a more sensitive point. This candle already not going my direction, but it is an entry stop order. Hopefully get filled. One more break even. And if I don't get filled, I'm gonna go back and take the loss, of course. Break even on ES will be there. I think that's also TP. Yeah, that would be TP. If you want to go there, of course. Alright, let's see. I am filled. Is the instant loss? No. Alright, still in. Alright, beautiful. Very clean. Alright, beauty. Yeah, and I don't care what happens ever here, but do you want to go lower? Does look like it now. Insane. Alright, very clean. Bro, this January and February, or no, February and March are going crazy. Look at that. 1.24 RR. Bro, I said I was going to do a small break again at and then half an hour to get a drink. I'm already 55 minutes into the session again. Time just goes so quick when I'm actually like into, like locked in. 10:45. 1 minute entry. New York price action was bro magnificent. I don't know, it's just good. Could have been better. NFP, unemployment rate. So we get NFP, unemployment rate, all day high impact, all day medium impact, right? Yeah, bro, yeah. Oh, no, only medium. Why is this there twice? Oh, no, OPEC and G20 meetings. That was both at 8:30. Very, very clean. All right. Delete all this. Did I make a screenshot? I did. Very clean. Yeah, draw is even lower, but yeah, if the market wants to do that, then I don't care, of course, anymore. Monday, Trump speaking, which I'm not trading. But maybe if he got added later to the calendar, yeah, he got added to the calendar at release time. So this was still a day with no news, which I'm trading London session then. So I'm gonna go to the London session. All right. Oh, what the hell? Super time. Yeah, look at that. That's very clean. Weird time for it to do that, but still. You ever copy trade? I am copy trading my funded and one challenge account as well. But that's it. Would you prefer CFD prop firm rules or bro CFD prop firm rules? Yeah. How old am I? I'm 21. How old would you guess? How old would you have guessed that I was? Always curious what people say. It's always younger, but I'm 21. I'm not studying nothing anymore. I'm working as a fitness trainer now. Not fully full time, but close. And then trading, and yeah, bro, literally my life is about working, trading, family, girlfriend, and a gym here and there with friends, and that's my life. Not in a specific order, but that's my life at the moment. When do you go break even? Internal lows? Yeah, internal lows, highs, or open inefficiency. Or if we're outside of a 1-to-1, then it's going to be at a fixed 1-to-1 break even. This looks very similar to Doji, but used for Vega as strong liquidity. Doji use highs. Yeah, I got a lot of inspiration from Doji as well, yeah. I guess that's somewhere just graduated. Wait, what? Skip this one. I think I'm just gonna end the session here, I think. Well, I have 59 minutes, yeah. Let's see where I ended the backtesting session. Yeah, it's going insane, man. Yeah. February was just already insane. And now March is going really well as well. Please just give me this in my live account, man. I'm doing it literally. I'm doing it here. Just give me it on the. No, I have a lot of confidence with the funded. Like, I'm actually seeing my backtesting results in my trading as well. Only a matter of time, man. Hopefully, yeah. Gonna end it here. 9 people watching, man. Crazy. Everyone, honestly, appreciate that you're watching. Have a good night or a nice day. Klonik, Yasir, GM, Jacob, Jafar, okay, Fat Guy, and some other people as well. Yeah, again, everyone, we appreciate that you're watching. See you guys. Ciao. Thank you, man. Thank you, Nicholas. Thank you, man. See you guys.